Okay, so I'm installing the Terrafirma ladder on the LR3 today. And the first dry fit, the holes line up pretty well on the left side, but the right side is completely off. So it looks like we're gonna have to use a little persuasion, maybe take it off and hit it, kind of bend this. Obviously it's not supposed to be up like this, and kind of go from there. Okay, so installing the Terrafirma ladder, I had to really kind of use a mallet to really line up the holes, and it's really just hitting this and then till the holes line up really well. I was kind of killing myself trying to like pull on the bar and get them lined up, but you're really just bending this little plate right here just so it's in place, and you're not doing it a bunch, just maybe a ½ inch or so, but hopefully that helps. I had to do the same thing up top as well as below. All right, job done. So it's got a little place where you can put a backup light here. I think it looks all right. I kind of like how this edge kind of curves with the car, then this one's straight. I think it's kind of a good design element. Like it.